Hey, what's up guys, it's Marshal again. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video I'll be unboxing the all new Tecno Pouvoir 4. The Pouvoir series has been known for its battery capacity, and in this case this wasn't exempted as it comes with a 6000 mAh huge super battery capacity. But before we get started, please, if you're new to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon close to it in order to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Without much talking, let's begin. On opening the box, you welcome the phone itself, which shows you some of the specifications of the phone on it. The next is a silicone plastic cover that fits into the phone perfectly. The owner's 12 plus 1 month warranty card, a film screen protector, your earpiece, a micro USB charging cable, a 10 watts charging brick, and lastly your SIM injector tool, which is located at the left hand corner of the pack, and that's pretty all much in the box. The device feels cool, lightweight, regardless of the big battery capacity, and it's made out of plastic, which is actually amazing. On the right hand of the phone is where you find your volume rocker and power button. On the left is your Google Assistant ASAP launch, and a slot for a dual nano SIM, which is 4G LTE network, and an expandable memory card or SD card space. On top of the device there's nothing there. Beneath your speaker grills, your head jack, and your charging port. On the back side of the phone, it's where you find your quad camera with a quad flash arranged horizontally, a fingerprint scanner, the Tecno brand well written, and the Pouvoir brand as well. Okay guys, let's turn on the device and see what it has to offer. Wow, this device is huge. As it comes with a 7-inch dot notch screen with a 720 by 1640 high resolution design, which is awesome, but trust me, this device is huge for one-hand operation. But watching videos and playing games offer a great cinematic feel. It also offers a nice performance as it comes with a 3GB of RAM, a 2GB of ROM, and a quad-core MediaTek Helio A22 processor, which clocks at 20 GHz, running the latest on the 10 on the native Tecno exclusive iOS v6. Let's see what the camera has to offer. The quad 13 megapixel rear camera and the 8 megapixel front facing camera are cool, but not in 2020. Please improve. Here are some footage on both the front and rear camera. What do you think guys? A device with 6000 mAh battery capacity with a low camera quality, does it tally? Talking about the battery, the 6000 mAh battery capacity, which is said to last for 4 days according to Tecno, but for the fact that you have to wait, for your phone to charge from 0 to 100 at a very low speed rate is not pleasing at all. At least this should have been a fast charge device. The phone goes for 55,000 naira in Nigerian currency. That was it for today's video guys. Please share your thoughts in the comment section in order for me to know what you really think about this new device. Which device you want me to compare it with. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next one. Thanks.